I need you to like and subscribe to the channel. If you do not, then my self-esteem will be crushed and I might not be able to get up in the morning and move if you do not do that. And if I get any thumbs down, I am going to get crushed. I am going to be so emotionally distraught if I get any thumbs down. So please be and also be very gentle in the comment section. All right, JetSki brothers, Jacob again with the bullet, and I got the tops and bottom glued together, and right now I'm working on foaming the tray. This is the stuff I'm using. 50 of this, 50 of that, you know. I have no idea how well it works. This is the situation. We're just gonna dump it in there, and we'll hope it goes good. We got these little cards cut out of a piece of Wave Runner to block off these top sections. We're gonna have some Wave Runner DNA in this thing. Kind of weird, this just came cut off like that, so I gotta do something about that, but yeah, getting pretty close. So after I get that all glued in, I'll feel really good because I'll be done with a lot of the major like resin gluey type gross stuff. So that's it. Let's see how it goes. We got the cups laid out, and this is our little mixing jug. So as I said, I've never done this before. I heard it's a big kind of quick thing, and you got to be really on your toes to do it.
It's a mess.
So Rob just told me about his first story. His first time using this stuff and making a mess. Giant mess. Doing an RC boat. Filling the whole bow with it. Mixed up about 2 cups. And it was overflowing everywhere. All over the floor. Big disgusting mess. It probably sticks to everything.
It does. Never get it out of your clothes.
So I guess if you ever do this, just
Start out with half of these. And
Yeah.
then mix it and go from there. You can always add. You can always just keep building it up.
exactly. It's all just gonna go in the bottom of the tray. We can just keep on raising the levels.
Where did you get this?
Got it from
Online?
Blowsion.
Oh, so you bought it online.
Yeah, so this is what jet ski people use. All right, let the carnage begin.
Just kind of go like, just kind of square it the best I can.
Yeah.
We have a good editor, so
Right.
he can yell.
I film stuff like,
He
and I
can-
get like I don't get any of the engine frame usually. That's like the thing that I always do, and it's super annoying. Yeah. All right, did I mix them backwards so that the thing was backwards probably? Or,
No, that's A.
Yeah.
A, A and A.
I put B in A, and we're putting A in B.
Oh, yeah. Already screwed up.
Yep, we already screwed it up, so. And of course I'm gonna spill a lot of this on the edge of the thing.
Looks like the same stuff. It's expensive, isn't it?
Yeah, it was like $50.
Yeah, that's the same stuff.
Alright, that looks like it's the same.
Other than they're backwards,
Yeah.
but that's okay.
Right? Alright, so I'm gonna do this.
Just pour and mix them like a mixed drink. Just let them run out. Let it all run out so you don't
Do I
waste
got time to let it run out?
it. Yeah.
Okay. I don't know if it's like, oh my god.
What color is it turning?
Oh.
Let me stir it up a little bit.
Alright,
There you go.
dump it.
Just make sure it's mixed up good. Let me see. Yeah, that's about ready.
Alright, we're dumping it.
Seeing it?
I can't get my head in there to see it, but maybe we can get the camera in there after I get this stupid whale pail out of here. All right, boys, I'm gonna look down there. You're gonna look down there. Can't see much. Okay, I see it, a little bit of it right here. And I don't want to make a mess. It looks like it's not really doing anything. I can't tell totally. Maybe I should have mixed it better. But yeah, I was like spooked. I was like, oh my gosh. Also, write in a giant marker what's A and B, or just mark your cups blue and red. Boys, she's starting to foam. She's starting to foam.
I don't know if you can see in there, probably a little bit. But yeah. Yeah.
So now I have a little bit of an idea of how big it expands and how quick, how much time I have to do it. Yeah, yep. So, fortunately, this stuff isn't like you have to wait all day for it to be cured. So, after I get this together, I'll be able to work on the other parts of buttoning it up too. All right, boys, round 2. I'm giving it another shot. And you might not see very much because this is kind of hard to film and it's kind of tricky and this doesn't totally suck in real life, but it's kind of a crapshoot. So yeah, and it's like 58 degrees or something here, and so we're gonna use the particle accelerator, the heat gun, and that should get it really curing and expanding faster. I've used a lot of this stuff and there's not much left, so I want to make sure that I don't have so much in there and it starts overflowing over the bulkhead. So yeah, we're gonna get out the heat gun and we're gonna start heating it. This side I got a little too much in, but not that much too much. This side I got a little bit more that it's gotta do. I have like 1 cup left. We're getting some seep through on the bottom, so yeah, I'm gonna have to reseal that up. All right, boys, I'm gonna show you where I got to today. I got those panels, my little bulkhead panels. I cut them out and set them in. I had to cut a large amount of foam out of this side because I put way too much in there, but it looks great. Busy? What a stupid GoPro camera. Anyway, I'm telling you boys right now, if anybody wants to ship me an SXR hood, you have my permission to ship me a hood. I need a hood for that thing. Also, you know, Corey might make me a hood, but if it doesn't work out for Corey, I need a hood. So, you guys, anybody got a hood? Send me a hood. Maybe I'll pay you some money even for it. Maybe we could do some trading. But anyway, that ski, if I don't have a hood by the time it's finished, I'm going to be riding it around without a hood. So that's what I got to say.